Aquariums have been around for hundreds of years. Even now, having a body of water in a glass box seems like magic. The most common aquarium fish is the goldfish, domesticated in China more than 1,000 years ago. Goldfish are a type of carp native to Asia. They tend to be silver or gray in color. But ancient Chinese breeders took advantage of orange and yellow mutations to breed gold-colored fish. Like all fish, goldfish start life as eggs. To start the breeding process, a worker separates the males from the females. Telling the girls from the boys can be difficult, but if she finds eggs, there's no question, it must be female. The eggs fall to the bottom. This facility harvests around 1,000 eggs a day. Adding oxygen helps the eggs mature. A week later, the eggs hatch. The hatchings are called fry. By the second week, they're little fish. Not all of them are the typical orange color. Even after centuries of breeding, many of them are still silver and gray. Aquariums have been around for